Myntri Rangbah ke Jila konrat ke sama ulat lom ke Jingïalang jengki Autonomous District Council ha ke Jingdanlang musembut Myntri Rangbah uba Preston Tinsong. Ya kene ke Jingïalang la penlong ha ke Sengi Balang ha ke Balai Shem Bentalang daki CEM Deputy CEM bat ki wei ki dekot. Ha kene ke Jingïalang la ya Kren ya Shibun kimat ki balama daki ADC ha ke Jila.
So today we had a very productive meeting with the three autonomous district councils of our state, namely the Jingeh Hills, Khasi Hills and Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And the objective of this meeting was in three different objectives. First objective was to look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt that they needed the support of the government and to work with the government in guiding them to ensure that the different rules are in place. We discussed all those details, and we are hopeful that all the district councils will put in their different administrative, HR, service rules, procurement policies, financial policies at different levels in all the district councils at the earliest. So detailed discussion took place, and we have formed a special committee which will be headed by the Chief Secretary, and the different district council officials will be members, and whatever guidance and whatever support is required will be done to ensure that that objective is met. The second objective was to go into all the bills that are pending in the last many years for different district councils, which are pending for different reasons, some at the department level, some at the council level, some at the law department level, and some even in the governor's secretariat. And hence we have asked the expert committee, which has been set up under the DCA, which will incorporate the different concerned departments and also the district councils, to examine all of these pending bills and find out the reasons why and where they are stuck, and work towards ensuring that they reach the logical conclusion that they should. So that's the second objective, which is to ensure that all the pending bills of the district councils are passed and cleared at the earliest. The third was regarding financial reformation in the different district councils. In detail, we discussed about the different financial situation and positions that the district councils are facing, the different manpower issues that they're having. For example, we saw that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council has close to 1,500 employees, and about 5 years back they had about 2,500 employees, and salaries even exceeding to almost 5 crores is being paid on a monthly basis, 5 plus minus, I don't have the exact number with me, being paid by the district councils, in spite of, as I said, 1,000 employees reduction taking place as a, in terms of rationalization that took place in the council, Garo District Council. And similarly, the Jingeh Hills District Council, which has approximately about 12 to 1,400, I can't remember the exact number, of employees, and they're also facing similar hardship because of large manpower. And Khasi Hills, which has about 800, less than 800 employees. And hence, we looked at all those aspects. We looked at the revenues that they were getting, and we suggested that that experts can be engaged to ensure and see how the overall revenues can be augmented and increased in the different district councils. At the same time, the different assets that they have, the land and different buildings that they have, how they could be monetized and maximized in terms of revenue generation for the district councils. and also to find other ways in which more revenue can be raised. Uh, so that kind of financial reforms were discussed, and roadmap was set. And again, the chief secretary will be heading a committee which will time and again examine this aspect and look into this issue on how to improve the overall financial health of the district councils. We also went into the different issues about the 15th Finance Commission fundings, and certain aspects need to be worked on, as there are more funds that are available from the center, and hence some more paperwork is required. Once we do that, we'll be able to get more funds from the center, and those aspects were discussed.